Compare types of external hard drives today. External hard drives have become a popular storage solution for individuals and businesses alike. They offer high-capacity storage in a convenient and portable form factor, making them ideal for backing up important data or transporting files between devices. However, with so many different types of external hard drives available on the market, it can be challenging to determine which one is right for your needs. In this article, we'll compare the most common types of external hard drives available today. Hard disk drives, HDD/HDDs, are the most common type of external hard drives on the market. They use spinning disks to store data and are available in a wide range of capacities, from a few hundred gigabytes to multiple terabytes. HDDs are relatively inexpensive compared to other types of external hard drives, and they offer a good balance of speed and storage capacity. However, they are prone to failure over time and can be slow to read and write data. Solid-state drives, SSD/SSDs, are a newer type of external hard drive that uses flash memory to store data. They are faster and more reliable than HDDs, making them ideal for tasks like video editing or gaming. SSDs are also less prone to failure and can withstand more physical damage than HDDs. However, they are generally more expensive than HDDs and have a lower storage capacity. Hybrid drives. Hybrid drives combine the best of both worlds by using both HDD and SSD technology. They have a small amount of flash memory for storing frequently accessed files, and a larger spinning disk for storing less frequently accessed data. Hybrid drives offer a good balance of speed and storage capacity while still being relatively affordable. However, they are not as fast as pure SSDs and may not be as reliable over the long term. Network-attached storage, NAS drives, are a type of external hard drive that connects to your network rather than directly to your computer. They are ideal for storing large amounts of data that need to be accessed by multiple devices at once, such as media files or backups. NAS drives offer high-capacity storage and can be accessed from anywhere on your network. However, they are generally more expensive than other types of external hard drives, and require some technical expertise to set up and use. Portable solid-state drives, PSSD/PSSDs, are a type of external hard drive that combines the portability of a USB flash drive with the speed and capacity of an SSD. They are small and lightweight, making them ideal for carrying around in a pocket or bag. PSSDs are also faster and more reliable than traditional USB flash drives. However, they are more expensive than USB flash drives and have a lower storage capacity. Thunderbolt drives. Thunderbolt drives are an external hard drive that uses the Thunderbolt interface to connect to a computer. Thunderbolt drives are known for their high-speed data transfer rates, which can reach up to 40 GB/s. They are ideal for tasks like video editing or working with large files. Thunderbolt drives are also reliable and durable, making them a good choice for professionals or anyone who needs a high-performance storage solution. However, they are typically more expensive than other types of external hard drives, and require a Thunderbolt port on your computer to use. USB flash drives. USB flash drives are a type of external hard drive that uses flash memory to store data. They are small, portable, and affordable, making them ideal for transferring files between devices.